quick recap of the last couple days. I know I wasn't able to get to the videos. Like I said on my blog, I was going to do them Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just been really busy lately, and I apologize that I didn't get to them sooner. But I'm going to, just go over all the days for you, show you what kind of trades the system generated, and what the results were. Alright, starting on 6E, just want to mention, really a crazy market. There's a possible trade right here at 735. You really wouldn't have been up for that. This is starting on Thursday. You can see nothing there, nothing for the rest of the day that we took. Coming into the next day, we finally get a trade. It's a little crazy. Rather large risk, $240 initial risk. We had a $480 projected gain, down to 133.20 for profits, and we hit 133.18. So got the profit there for $475 after commission. Really nice trade there. Came back up here, possible trade in there, but never really flourished. Order was not filled on that one. And here we are on Sunday. So that was the 6E. So you can see there $475 after commission. And then as far as crude was concerned, it wasn't quite as choppy. Started off Thursday, comes on down. We get a really nice trade right in here, entering at 94.32, $140 initial risk, $280 reward. Hit that target fairly easily of a 2-to-1. Minus commission, $275. Then we had a loss later in the day. At 11:25, took that trade short, $150 risk, stopped out on the next bar. So that's a total of $125 on that day. Fast forward to Friday, and you'll find that the market was just ranging. There were no trades either way. And finally we get a trade, and it was a loss of 85. So based on the last, I'd say 2-3 days on crude, well, I guess it'd be 2, Thursday and Friday, we had a gain of about $40. Add that to the gain on the 6E, that brings us up to like 510, 520. And let's progress here. For some reason, my data service is not giving me the TF exchange. I've been having some problems with that. Definitely not a NinjaTrader issue. I just gotta get it resolved. But I won't be able to show you the TF. For those of you who are trading and you're just starting out, I recommend you don't trade the TF because it is more volatile than the rest. I recommend if you're going to trade a stock index on the futures exchange, start off trading ES. It's slow, slow as molasses, but you'll get used to the way the stock indexes move. You can even start with the YM, which is the mini Dow, or the NQ, which is the mini Nasdaq. Both of those make great things to start off with in the stock indexes. 117.50 actual loss on Thursday. Took this trade right here. Gained it back later in the day, basically covered our commissions and put $80 in the pocket on this short right here. $100 initial risk, $200 reward, $195 after commission. Fast forward to this day, there's nothing in here. Expands up and we get this for 170 gain. So let me go ahead and add all this up. So we had a 170 plus 195 minus 117.50. Now this is all after commission. Then we're going to go over to 6E. Let's go ahead and zoom out, and that was a 475. And let's zoom on over to CL. That was a 275, 155. The difference is 120. Okay, so 45. I'm sorry, 35. for a total of 757.50, or approximately 76 ticks. Really a good couple days there. I believe that throws the total up on the week of a little over a grand per contract. That's trading all three and trading them from approximately 8 in the morning until 1 in the afternoon. If you can't do that and you're working, there are ways we can work around that. Professional Trading Strategies was started, as a way to educate people on how to work trading around their lifestyle. We're big into, even though it might look great that this is what we're doing and we're getting so many trades, etc., it takes a lot of work to be sitting at the computer that long. Most people have a job. They can't keep doing that without losing productivity and ultimately losing their job. And in most cases, you're just doing this for separate income. I hope that you found a job in the world that you do what you love, and you can supplement your income with this. There's many ways that one can go about that, and I believe this is one of them, but only if your work schedule dictates. Another strategy we like to do is to go out to like a 60-minute or a 240-minute chart. You can check the charts on your iPhone. Some brokers nowadays have iPhone apps where you can check on your positions, and someone can kind of do that during their lunch break. So you might not get this many trades, but you would be making the same type of trade on the chart. The chart would just be a longer time frame, like 60-minute. Let me see if I can pick out a trade here. Okay, so for instance, here was a short in here. I'm not going to show you exactly where. Well, actually, let me show you the entry real quick. The entry was right there for a short. Risk was approximately 450 for a 900 gain. So you can see there's greater risk here, but it's more doable with a job or other commitments because you're only checking the bar every 1 hour and you're checking it during the day. There's another trade in here. Let me see if I can find one. There's one in there. That was a loss. There's one in there. That was a loss. One in there. That was a win. One in there. Win. One in there. Loss. And really, you can just keep doing that. As of late, I've actually been trading off of the 4-hour charts, and it typically is it does something to your mind when you trade a 4-hour chart because you have 4 hours to ponder the position, and that's really nice. You can analyze the market and really follow your strategy, and then you can shut your iPhone down or shut your laptop down, and you can be done. But yeah, this was a banner week as far as the day trading is concerned. There was a little bit of volatility, but overall, I can't complain. 100 ticks during the week, that's $1,000. I'll take $1,000 in a week per contract. Again, that was trading all three pairs, the crude oil, the euro, and the ES. But hope you guys were able to at least see the power of this, because it really was a week where if you would have been watching Bloomberg or anything, you would have been like, man, it's not trending. Started off this week, it just wasn't going anywhere. But you can see that on the 5-minute charts, there were some trades here. There's a trade there. There's a trade there. There's trades all over the place. You just got to be there to find them, and you got to have the knowledge to find them. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. If you want to visit our website, it's professionaltradingstrategies.com. And if you have any questions on what you see, feel free to email me at protradingstrats@gmail.com. And if you have any just general inquiries, or you want some technical support, having a problem with the website, for those of you who are free members or trying to register for a webinar, give me a call at 352-425-4251 and ask for Judah. Alright, thanks guys, and I hope you have a great week. Just remember, trade smart, trade your plan,